try this again. Look at this old trailer I found. How in the hell they got it up here? It's been here a while. There's no frame under it. They took the frame out for whatever reason. Some buckets. It's been here a while. I'm guessing it's somewhere in the 50s. And I'm not sure. It's not a Spartan. I'll have to ask my trailer people. Got one shutter. No graffiti. Here's the kitchen and the living room. Pretty trashed. Pretty wet. Duh. I'm sure it's asbestos floor. And then I'm not sure what that is. I'm not going in there further. You might like a raccoon to jump out at me. Always been here for a while. And back here by this other door. It's the bedroom. Maybe, probably a bathroom. What's left of it. But how they got it up here, I have no idea. They had to somehow get it up through these trees. There's no way this way. And there's another little tiny house there, old shack, and there's a double wide over that way, and then another tiny house, 2 or 3 outhouses. There's one way out there. But yeah, how in the world did they get it up here? It's crazy. Okay, well, it's too bad this is broke. That looks like the same as mine. Actually, the lights are the same. It's shot. Well, can't tell. Bummer. Well, that's still intact. It's really too bad. Body-wise, it's in good shape. But in my eyes, I'm a builder, man. A cement pad here. It must have had something there. Fire pit, maybe. There. Okay, so here's the tongue. There we go. There's the VIN numbers. Okay, I'm going to shut you off.